there was an issue with the chopper crashing. This is a simulation of the app on my iPhone, and now it actually works. But one of the comments had suggested that there was something wrong with the chopper crashing into an object that wasn't really there, but there because the chopper crashed and the game was over. One solution to that is not only checking to make sure the x and y values to the coordinates at your chopper. Let me just get rid of this right there. We don't need that since we're done with reflector. Quit that. Is to go into the, not reset values, but the start game values, which is actually, where is it? Actually, I just had it. End game. So you see where it says above there, everyone might have their coding set up differently, but I have notes in mine, so I said it has crash coordinates right there. So you have crash coordinates, which would simulate everything between, as was mentioned in the tutorial, between, if you go to your main storyboard, those coordinates will dictate your crash between here and here, top and bottom. So you have your x and y coordinates, so which are there. But also another issue that may be causing the crash to your helicopter experience is new game. So if you go to new game, make sure that the obstacle, see where it says obstacle right there? During the course of the tutorial, you might copy and paste it instead of typing it because it's just convenient to do it that way. Make sure that it says 2 and not 1. That will also create the bug of the helicopter crashing. And another issue, not sure which images you have, but the ones provided, I actually crop mine, and let's go to Heli Up. So you could make this smaller. You could crop the edges, like down there, etc., just to make it as tight as you can in Photoshop or Illustrator. Another issue or another solution that you can do is basically what I did, just to make the experience a little bit better and much more fun. Remember, you make it yours. Was to go to your main storyboard and just make the chopper smaller. See, by default, you don't really have that much fly space. See, when you click it, that little box, so you don't have that much between here and there. So a bigger, whoops, the bigger the chopper, the harder it is going to be to fly through those spaces. So just make the chopper the right size that works for you and your user experience, and change the images accordingly. If you have any questions, just feel free to leave a comment. But most likely you will have built your chopper by now and shouldn't be having any trouble. If you'd like, I can send this to you, so just leave your comments in the show notes. Thank you.